I get a lot of parents who book me to teach their trans daughters about makeup, grooming, and fashion. Sometimes a newly transitioning person just needs a little bit of guidance for the simple things that we all take for granted, like shaving versus waxing, hair and nail care, skin care, brows, even foot care. For some newbies, things like makeup and wardrobe building can be really intimidating and frustrating for them. This is exactly why I created an online course for absolute beginners, so that newly transitioning girls and women can learn all about the millions of little tips and tricks for presenting themselves in a way that best aligns with their personality. Everything you could possibly imagine is included in this course, and since it's designed for the absolute beginner, it doesn't matter if you're transitioning at 16 or at 60. It starts with the very, very basics and it works its way all the way up. So many of my clients tell me how much they wish they would have had something like this when they were transitioning. So if you or someone you know is struggling with early transition, this course is a must. Check out the course in the description below and see for yourself. Everything is so much easier when you have the right teacher.